What is up, YouTube? This is LLFL. So what is up, YouTube? Anyway,
Get my phone in my wallet.
I am going to
In my wallet.
probably be doing a challenge. Right? So I'm not gonna do the hoverboard challenge yet, even though I got my hoverboard. It's charging over there. See. So anyway, it's not a challenge. I'm going to be doing this experiment with baking soda and vinegar in a bottle. And we're going to see explode everywhere. Bah! Like that. So, no further ado, let's get to the video. With no further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so I'm going to be getting this stuff. I got the bottle already. Vinegar. Funnel. And baking soda. Okay, so let's go. It's gonna be a big explosion. Alright, the vinegar is done. Yes! Alright, I'm gonna pour the vinegar in outside. Alright guys, I am outside about to do the stuff. Whew. So scared. Get ready. Get ready. Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh. I'm gonna throw it in this big lot if you see it. Alright, let's go. Look at it. Alright, I'm about to throw it up. Oh man, it didn't work. I guess you have to like wait a minute. Great. Just not even working, yo. I'm about to hit it with a rock. Yo, it didn't even work. It's hard. Alright, look. It's not working. Did you hear it? I gotta do it better tomorrow. But anyway, I gotta do it better tomorrow because I did something wrong. I ain't put enough vinegar in it, so I'll do it on Sunday.
Where you coming from?